Have you ever wanted to make your own memes? Well, use the app WordSwag. It's great. Just pick the free photos and then type in what you're looking for. I'm going to make some nighttime goodnight photos. So I'm going to pick something. I will make it a square. And then when I tap, it will have this. And I just delete that. Type in the phrase that I want to use. I'm just going to say goodnight, friends. Something real simple. And then once I've got that, I'm going to hit the done button. And ta-da, it shows up. Now I can move it around with my finger. I can hit the styles, change that all around, change the colors, go back and forth with styles. If I hit the dice button, it will give me different formats of that particular style. You can move it and tilt it with your fingers until you like it. Then when you're done, you just close it out and it's saved to your photos. But here's the fun part. Just click that back arrow a couple of times and it will take you back to the pictures. Let's click another one and it shows up. And once I click that, look, the same text automatically appears. So this is where when you're making memes with the same theme, you can do it so quickly. Now, obviously, you might want to change up the style, the color, but once again, just hit done and then go back a couple of times and you can switch to the other. I was on Unsplash before, now I'll pick Pixabay. Now on this one, I'm cropping it in by pinching my fingers and moving the photo around. We're just gonna get the moon. And once I have it where I want it, once again, once I hit done or click it, that same text shows up. Now, I made all three of these really fast, so it's a perfect way to make memes.